I want to take a couple of minutes and talk to you about Nogrunt, which is a QA automation platform that can help you automate your test scenarios in under 2 to 3 minutes. Most of your test scenarios can be completed within a 2 to 3 minute time frame. And in this demo, I'm going to take you through how you would author your script, how you would set up your test, and then how you would do the execution. Now, the key thing here is to use our tool. You do need a Chrome browser extension, so you can go to the Chrome Web Store and get it. And the link is there on the screen. So once you have your application under test, you go to your Chrome browser extension, you log in with your details that you've used to sign up on our site. You give the scenario a name, and that's largely your interaction with the browser extension. And then you go back and use your site like you would normally do. So here I'm going to log in like a normal user. So I've provided a user ID password here, and if I take you back to the Nogrunt system, you will notice that all the steps that I've just now performed, they're already captured, ready to go. So if I click on execute at this point, the steps we have learned up to this point would be executed. We do want to do a little bit more, so we'll continue. I'm going to go in there and invite users. I'm just going to fill out this form. I need to pick a department, so I'm going to pick a department and add. So largely at this point, you have finished one test case, right? And you can see that, at this point, it's done. And if you go into the Nogrunt system, you'll actually see that everything that you did is already captured. Now what I will do is I will quickly show you how you could set up your test data, turn off the refresh, set up your test data so that you can pick your data from a file. So let's say you have a list of employees coming in from an Excel file that is named as sheet. So I'm going to go ahead and do this for each one of the 4. Now, the thing that you'll notice with this one is you can set up each field independently if that's how your test data is set up. So you're giving the file name, you're giving the name of the sheet that it is on, and then also the cell from where you want to pick the data. So I've gone ahead, I've done the setup. Now that I've done it all, it's as simple as going ahead and just click on execute. And now you'll see that your tests will in fact execute. So it launched, and then if you go into the results page, this will also auto refresh to keep you updated on how your test is progressing, and you can see all the screenshots of the test as it's being executed. Now on the screen, I do want to show you where it goes and fetches the details from the file and uses it to create the user. And you'll notice now it's going to click on add new user. Now the first name, remember, we set up saying we want to get it from the sheet. So here it is going ahead, getting from the sheet. This user might already exist, but it's got it from the sheet, and it's going to use it and enter the details and add. That's how simple it is. Now that you've got your test case created, test data set up, and the execution is completed successfully, you can now add this to your backlog of items finished and move on from there, right? Thanks for your time, and hope you'd enjoy using Nogrunt. Thank you.